In this video, you will learn how to edit your domain name. Starting from the main dashboard, as you can see, we have 3 domain names added to the back end of our software. And if we wanted to edit any single one of them, we would simply hover over the update or change your domain name icon next to the domain name. So for example, we have 8482media.com. To the right of that URL, there is an icon. By clicking on the icon to the right of the URL, that's going to allow us to edit the domain name. So for sportsfootage.com, it's that icon to the right. And for ra.com, again, that icon to the right. So if we wanted to change 8482media.com, we would simply click this icon. And let's say we just purchased a new URL and we wanted to update that. And we can go ahead, choose the landing page that we want the URL to point to, just the home landing page, and we can click change URL. Comes back to our main dashboard. We have 8482sports.com. If we wanted to change it back, again, we would click on that URL and we can change it back 8482media.com. Now, just by adding and changing your URLs here, you are not pointing your domain name that you own, that you purchased through a domain provider to your website. So just by adding your URL or changing your URL, it's not actually going to show up when you type that URL into Google or any web browser. You will actually need to point your domain to this website that you are building, and we will cover that in a future tutorial. But this is specifically how you can edit or change the URL and the landing page that the URL points to. So essentially, you're getting everything perfectly ready. You can point your domain that you own to this website.